everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. This tutorial will be about an event that you can do with JavaScript, and yeah, let's get started. I already saved the page as event.php, as you can see right here, but if you gotta see the page, there's nothing on it. As you can see, I just refreshed. So yeah, let's get started. First, gonna start with style. Type equals text slash JavaScript, and so I'm gonna give some space between it. Oh yeah, this also goes on your heading tags, because we're gonna have our body tag. And if you want to be fancy, you can add the HTML tag also. Doesn't really matter. So let's put here HTML like that, and head like so. Oops. Okay. So here we have our style type text JavaScript, and in here we're gonna create a function. The function is function, and then you put whatever name you want to put. For this tutorial, we'll put function disp prompt, and we open that and we put it like that. Okay. Okay, guys, I see what's wrong here. I put style instead of script. Sorry. That's why I kept seeing the red. But okay, here we have functions, and then the name is prompt, display prompt. But okay, now we're gonna put var, and put var, and then after var we'll put name equals prompt. Please enter your name. Oops. Example, Chuck Norris. And I'm already going to show you guys what we have here already. So we're going to go to our body. On our body we put input type equals button. On click, when the user clicks, it's gonna do whatever. Then you put on click disp prompt, just like so, and then we add a value to it. Value equals display or something. Oh, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we're gonna save this, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Display right there, as you can see. Please enter your name, Chuck Norris. Nothing really happens if you put anything, because we haven't defined anything. So we're going to right now. So we're going to do so by adding semicolon in there, and then we're going to put if name equals null. That's for please enter your name, so you really don't have to matter about that. We put end name not equals anything. You put document dot write hello, some space between everything. Name, how are you today? We're going to end this right here, like so. And we're also going to put if name null and name equals Chuck Norris. If the user says dear Chuck Norris, it will say document dot write Chuck Norris, you are the man. Just like so. And now we're gonna also put if name equals null and end name equals Pedro. That's my name. If the user's Pedro also will say document right. Okay, so if the user has the same name as me, which is Pedro, it will say Pedro, we have the same name. And also we can put, if they don't fill it out and just leave it blank, it'll say I'll put it to say you have no name. You have no name. You are so weird. Okay, and now we end this, and I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so let me refresh this play. Okay, so first let's start with putting random things. Okay, so right here, hello, blah, 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 blah. How are you today? Or you can put a name that we can read. Hello, Zach. Hello, Zach. How are you today? If your name is Chuck Norris, it'll say, hello, Chuck Norris. How are you today? And it'll say, Chuck Norris, you are the man. And if your name is Pedro, like mine, it'll say, hello, Pedro. How are you today? Pedro, we have the same name. And we can also, and then we also have, if the user leaves it blank, it'll say you have no name, you are so weird. And this concludes this JavaScript tutorial. It's pretty simple. I'll come here back to the page so you guys can see JavaScript if you guys missed anything. But yes, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, that's it. Goodbye.